Hi guys, my name is Umar and I'm a final year medical student. MD-CAT को पास करना is going to be the first step that you guys need to do if you want to spend the rest of your life as a doctor. और इस एग्जाम को पास करने के लिए you need an academy. The question is what sort of academy? क्योंकि academies में आती हैं दो types. One is a physical academy, the other is an online academy. So today we're gonna walk through the comparison of both of these ताकि you guys have a well-balanced idea before making a decision. In a physical academy, there's a traditional system. A teacher आएगा, they're gonna stand in front of you, deliver you a lecture. The students will be sitting around you. एक fixed timetable होगा, and you will have to go and attend the class. On the other hand, online academies में you attend the same sort of classes from more or less the same teachers. The only difference being that you will be doing that in the comfort of your own home, and things will be in your own hand. सबसे पहले let's begin with the physical academy के उसके क्या advantages हैं. The first thing is कि physical academies give you a structured environment where there is a discipline being followed, एक regular timetable है. All that you have to do is go over there, follow their timetable, and you're gonna be good for the rest of your preparation. Secondly, physical academies are gonna conduct regular exam tests. There are also gonna be students around you, और आपको ना एक ज़रा real exam day वाली feeling आ रही होती है by just going over there, sitting in that particular classroom. Thirdly, physical academies help you tackle a certain level of stress, which is important because on the exam day, MD-CAT के दिन, the first thing that you need to learn is how to tackle stress. Stress आप tackle कर रहे होंगे तो आपका ध्यान ज़्यादा paper पे होगा. So in all of these particular areas, physical academies really help you out. But there's like this one thing that I can't understand. आज से 4 साल पहले जब मैं MD-CAT दे रहा था तब भी मुझे समझ नहीं आती थी और आज भी मुझे ये चीज़ समझ नहीं आती कि why are physical academies so expensive? Back in my day, they used to charge per session 30 से 40,000. आज I'm pretty sure और भी expensive हो गई होंगी. And I don't get that because the same sort of services are available online. Same teachers, same lectures, same subjects. Everything is available online. So why is there such a big price difference when you compare a physical academy with an online one, where online academies offer you very cheaper courses? Secondly, the fact that you have to travel to a physical academy. The time spent during commute, आपने वहाँ जाना है, probably, बल्कि definitely आपने वहाँ से थक के वापस घर भी आना है, and if nothing else, at least 1 घंटा तो आपका रेस्ट में गुजर जाएगा. Now all of this time that gets spent while commuting and then coming back and then resting, plus the fuel costs, अगर you combine all of these two, even just these two things, that makes you probably question before enrolling in a physical academy. Thirdly, physical academies में in my opinion, I feel like distractions बहुत easily जो है ना वो हो जाती हैं. The reason being कि you're surrounded with physical people. Obviously, 1-2 दिन बाद या 1-2 हफ्तों बाद you're gonna make friends. You're gonna talk to them. आप गप्पे भी लगाएंगे during the classroom. आप probably hangouts भी करेंगे. Now, none of this is a bad thing. It's completely okay. लेकिन MD-CAT का time duration of study is so less that you can't really afford all of these distractions. Can you? ऑनलाइन अकेडमीज में भी देर इज़ अ सर्टेन लेवल ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शन. आई डू एग्री विद दैट क्योंकि मैंने खुद भी एक्सपीरियंस की हुई ऑनलाइन अकेडमी. अब घर बैठे हुए हैं, यू आर गोना प्रोबेबली बी यूजिंग फोन्स, राइट? बट द थिंग इज कि जब आप एक फिजिकल अकेडमीज में होते हैं, देर आर 2 sorts ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शन. एक डिस्ट्रैक्शन आपके घर से बाहर चल रही होगी विद ऑल ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स आउटसाइड, एंड द अदर डिस्ट्रैक्शन विल बी फोन जो आपने घर आके करता है. सो इन एन ऑनलाइन अकेडमी इफ यू सी एज अ होल तो आपकी जो डिस्ट्रैक्शन हैं देर वेरी वेरी मिनिमलाइज्ड. वैसे if you guys are considering an online academy, तो I must suggest you guys about Tabeer Academy, where there are very well experienced teachers available जिन्होंने अपने lectures already pre-recorded form में रखे हुए हैं, and they're also going to offer you live lectures. There's a lot of prep material available from this academy for you guys, and there is a bunch of practice material available on their website. 10 से 15,000 या इससे भी ज़्यादा MCQs are available with very very good explanations. Something that can really help you go a long way in this whole journey. Secondly, physical academies have now transformed and progressed so much that they've formed this well-developed network जहाँ पे there are multiple platforms available, WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, and other groups on other platforms as well, where अगर teachers available नहीं हैं तो an instructor might be available. If he's not available, a mentor might be available. वो भी नहीं available तो your fellow students will definitely be available to help you 24/7. आपकी कोई भी query है, something you can't understand, something you need help with, there's going to be another person in that particular platform to help you out with that. Also, I'd like to add this one more point for the students living in remote areas because there's a very likely chance कि शायद आपको वहाँ पे इतनी up to the mark education मत मिले in your local physical academies. So in that case, an online academy is your way to go because यहाँ पे you will not be bound by geographical restrictions from some of the very well experienced MDCAT teachers available to teach you with all of this MDCAT. So we've gone through some of the key differences between both of these academies, physical and online. दोनों के अपने फायदे भी हैं, नुकसानात भी हैं, but the conclusion of this video is going to depend on what suits you better. But if you're gonna ask me, so I will say that when you consider flexibility, affordability and accessibility to some of the top teachers available out there, so I just feel like an online academy aligns better with the needs of modern MDCAT aspirants. So I hope you found this video helpful. See you guys until next time. Allah Hafiz.